you're young and in your teens and you're looking for some sort of way of income, and you've tried everything online, you've worked your job, you've saved your money, and there's still no luck. You've tried everything you've found online to invest a bit of money into to get something up and going, and you just haven't found a lucky one. Well, today I'm going to talk to you guys about something that me and a couple of my friends have done and have kind of really pulled together, and now it's something that we're really growing in. So here it is. We recently reestablished A-tier co. It was A-tier washing, but we've incorporated polymeric sand service and deck stain service. So that's been a huge up and coming thing we've done as an extra side hustle, and that's brought a huge ton of money to the company because that's just a great way to expand. It's something on the outside of people's homes that people need, and we've been requested to do it. That's why we've incorporated it. So it's honestly been pretty good, and it's just in addition to everything we've already been starting. So here we've got the services we offer. We do window cleaning, gutters, eavesdrops, stonework and walkways. We do house siding, fences and decks, pool sides, and we spider ban the exteriors of homes. It's actually just using this. I'll actually put the clip. I just had a spider in my room. I'm either turning to Spider-Man or this fucker is dying.
Oh, it's done.
He's gone. I took care of it. We do polymeric sand and driveway, and we do staining services as well. So everything I just mentioned, but that's everything we do in total. You can call us for a service, and then this is a little video on our YouTube how we clean our windows with the water-fed pole. And then we've got a little bit of extras, so it's just some knowledge to the polymeric sand. Just a little link, the whole step process, how we do it. There's, I believe, 6 or 7 steps. And here's our before and afters. You can view all of our before and afters in the link right here. So, huge selection of shots that we've taken just throughout our season. It's been really good. And then a bit after here, you'll get who you'll meet. So, you got me, the co-founder, Adam Johnson, the co-founder, and then Adam and Luke. Have we left you satisfied? We've got our Google reviews on here. However, our Google reviews aren't really popping up on our Google right now. I'm not too sure what that's about. Yeah, like we had 6 reviews. I'm not too sure what had happened to any of them. We're on HomeStars as well, which is a home service app. And this is a bit of what you'll see us on. That's why we're on HomeStars and Google. And we have an Inspire the Youth program we're actually just incorporating now as well, because we want to really bring kids on to working. It's a great hustle for kids, and they really get a feel for the business at a young age, and it's just like a little trade you can get yourself into. And honestly, yeah, it's just really fun to be around us and the experience. Like me and the guys, we were talking about it the other day, and just the fact of like us being out there together, all together, doing our own thing, making the sales, having our own hunger in ourselves and drive, not listening to anybody else. It really pushes us to get our own sales and fend for ourselves, and it gives us that the excitement, I guess, because it's our own business, right? So join the team. That's inspired the youth. We want a lot of teens to join us, a lot of kids, and younger adults, really. I just incorporated this contact form, which is now letting clients hit us right from the website straight to email. So we don't need to call anymore, which is really good. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoy. Like, follow, sub, and stay tuned.